I'm going to show you how to deposit money into Bybit. So follow these steps and don't miss one out. So you're going to go up to the left hand side on your menu and you're going to see a buy crypto option. And from here, you're going to travel down and you have two options. The first option is a fiat deposit. So this is where you can deposit money via your bank or your bank card. Here you can also use crypto deposit, and this is if you want to deposit crypto into your Bybit account. For this example, we are going to use the fiat deposit, and on this next page you will see a window on the right hand side. Here you can go ahead and you can choose your currency. Now, depending on what country you are in, you'll have different options. So if I go ahead and I use USD, I may not actually have access to any payment methods, but if I'm using Great British Pounds, I will have some options. You can also add your amount in over here, and as you go down, you can choose your payment method. Each one of these currencies will have different payment methods. Choose the payment method that suits your needs. On the left hand side, you can see a bunch of deposit instructions and click on Continue. Now within the next page, you'll add your payment details such as your bank account or your card number, and you can make your deposit, given that you have this amount available to deposit. Now if this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.